Imagine receiving an extra $10,000 tomorrow. Would it solve your money problems forever? Most people think it would. But studies show that many people who suddenly receive large amounts of money eventually end up back where they started. Why? Because money doesn't solve money problems. Money management does. And today, I'm going to show you the simple system that can help you take control of your finances, even if you're starting from zero. A few years ago, a young worker got his first full-time paycheck. He was excited. For the first time in his life, he had real money coming in. So he upgraded his phone, bought new clothes, started eating out more often. A few months later, he was wondering where all his money had gone. His income increased, but his financial situation didn't. That's when he learned a lesson that changed everything. Making money and managing money are two completely different skills. Rule number 1. Know where your money goes. The first step in money management is awareness. Most people know how much they earn. Very few know exactly how much they spend. For the next 30 days, track every expense: coffee, subscriptions, online purchases, everything. Because you can't improve what you don't measure. Rule number 2. Follow the pay yourself first system. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. Successful people do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. The moment you get paid, move a percentage into savings or investments, even if it's only 10%. Building wealth starts with making your future self a priority. Rule number 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Unexpected bills arrive. Jobs can disappear. Without an emergency fund, every surprise becomes a financial crisis. Your first goal should be saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This fund isn't for vacations, it's for peace of mind. Rule number 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is equal. Some debt helps build assets, but high-interest consumer debt often destroys wealth. Credit card debt is especially dangerous because interest works against you. The less money you pay in interest, the more money you keep working for yourself. Rule number 5. Start investing early. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting. They think, I'll invest when I earn more. But time is your greatest advantage. Even small investments made consistently can grow significantly over the years. The earlier you start, the harder compound growth works for you. Rule number 6. Live below your means. This doesn't mean living a miserable life. It means spending less than you earn. The gap between income and expenses is where wealth is created. Every wealthy person understands this principle. No matter how much they earn, they make sure part of it stays invested. Money management isn't about being perfect. It's about making better decisions consistently. Track your spending. Save first. Build an emergency fund. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest regularly. Do these simple things long enough, and your financial future can look completely different. Because wealth isn't built through one big move, it's built through thousands of smart decisions. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more practical lessons on money, investing, and wealth building. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest money mistake you've made? And what did it teach you?